Hello everyone, this is Healthy Options with Maureen. Today we'll be making some turmeric tea. We'll be using some fresh turmeric and we'll also be using some powdered turmeric. The good thing about turmeric is that it's really good for your body. It has strong immune boosting properties. I'll be listing some other properties or some other benefits of this tea as we go along. Come with me as we make this. I know you will like this. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and share as well. Thank you. So for our turmeric tea, we will be needing some fresh turmeric. It has already been peeled and washed and cut into slices. We need some ginger. It's been peeled and washed as well and cut into slices. Then we need some black pepper. These are the three major ingredients you need while making turmeric tea. We need the black pepper because it helps you absorb the nutrients present in the turmeric better. So these are the three major ingredients. These other ingredients are optional. We need some cardamom pods. As you can see, I already crushed this up because this will help infuse flavor better. A cinnamon stick, and last but not the least, we need lemon. I like to add lemon when I'm having the tea very lukewarm or a cold tea, but if I'm having warm tea, I'd rather not add it. So we'll be placing all these ingredients in a pot containing filtered water, apart from the lemon of course, and then we will boil for some time, then turn it down to a simmer, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like once it's ready. So right here we have the pot placed on the stove, and in goes our turmeric. The black pepper and ginger going as well, and then the cardamom pods and cinnamon going. I'm just going to give this a stir. I'm going to turn this on and bring it to a rapid boil, and once it boils I'm going to turn it down to simmer for 20 minutes, and I'll come back and show you what it looks like by the time it's ready. So it's been about 20 minutes of it simmering away, and that's what it looks like at this stage. So I'm just going to turn off my heat, and I'll be pouring this through a colander to strain it. So right here we have a glass bowl, and I'm going to put a colander over it, and of course a strainer as well. And then we'll pour our tea through this into the strainer, as you can see. So in here we have our turmeric tea. You can actually sweeten this with honey or jaggery or brown sugar, whatever works for you. And like I said, you can add on a bit of lemon as well. So I'm going to let this cool down, then I will store it and I'll show you how I like to have my turmeric tea. So as you can see, you can serve your turmeric tea in two different ways. You can have it hot or you can have it with some ice as iced tea. Apart from the fact that it does wonders to your immunity as well, it tastes really good. We prefer to have it as iced tea. You can sweeten with any sweetener of choice like honey or maple syrup, and we already added on some lemon to help give it a bit of tart as well. We are storing up some in the refrigerator. We can always have it as iced tea. All you need to do is to store it up in an airtight container and place it in the refrigerator, and you can have it whenever you want to. So for our turmeric tea, using powdered turmeric or dry turmeric with dried spices, we'll be needing some turmeric, some ginger powder, and some ground black pepper. Now these are the three compulsory ingredients you need because the black pepper helps you to absorb the curcumin in the turmeric. Now if you're the type that don't like heat or spicy tea, you can add on some coconut milk, because the fat in the milk will also help in the absorption of curcumin. Or you could still add some coconut milk even with the black pepper in it, as we'll be doing today. The other ingredients that will help enhance flavor and are also very good for you as well are the cloves powder and the cinnamon powder. I'll be leaving a link in my video. I have something on cloves and cinnamon. You can go check that link out so you can see what these spices are all about. So it's very easy to actually make this. We are just going to bring all these spices together, and then we'll have our tea powder ready. Then we'll boil some water and make some tea. We need an airtight container to store the turmeric tea by the time we mix everything in. So we'll just be adding all the spices into the bowl containing the turmeric. The ginger goes in alongside the cloves, cinnamon, and then of course the black pepper. So we all get everything in there at once. Then I'm going to use a whisk to actually bring this all together. So you can move that around and you can see certain areas where you have to mix in as well. It goes in gently. So right here we have our turmeric tea in a jar, and I just boiled some water. So I'll just be putting a level teaspoon, no more than a teaspoon is all you need, of the turmeric tea into the teacup, and I'm just going to be adding on some boiled water. So right here in this cup we have our turmeric tea ready. You can add on some honey if you prefer, or any sweetener of choice, or like I said, you can also add on some coconut milk for better absorption, and I'll give that a stir. So that will help you absorb the curcumin in your turmeric tea better. And there you have your turmeric tea. We hope you try out any of these recipes and let us know what you think about these two different methods of making turmeric tea. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Give us a thumbs up and please do share as well. Thank you.